My lemon salmon, and I'm having it with wild rice and sweet corn. So I have my salmon here. I got this liner from Amazon. 100 comes in a pack, and it's not very expensive, like $10 to $15 depending on the size of your air fryer. So I'm gonna put this at the bottom of the air fryer to help with for the drain, to make it easier for the cleaning up afterwards. Right, so I'm gonna put my salmon in. I see on this it's showing me 15 to 20 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm gonna turn this to 400. It's already on 400, and time it for 10 minutes. 10 minutes for each side, because I'm gonna flip it when it's golden brown. Apply my lemon juice. So here we go, folks, my lemon salmon, and I'm having it with wild rice and sweet corn. Some veg there. So try it out. Delicious. Thanks for watching. Let me hear in the comment section what you think about this lemon salmon. See you in the next video.